All right, let's get to the breaking news coming in. There's a big update in the Kejriwal bail saga. The Enforcement Directorate's submission to the Delhi High Court has been accessed. The ED has termed the trial court's order as perverse. The ED has also stated that new material post-2023 has not been considered by the court. The agency has also cited statements of Aam Aadmi Party workers. So that's the latest that's coming in. Remember, Arvind Kejriwal had challenged the stay on his bail in the Supreme Court. First, Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court had granted him bail. Then he challenged it. Then the High Court, in fact, had put a stay on it. And now, of course, that tussle with the ED happening in the court. Let me go across to my colleague Pulkit for more on this. Pulkit, क्या कुछ डिटेल्स हैं ये लेटेस्ट जिसमें एनफोर्समेंट डायरेक्टरेट की स्टेटमेंट है और उन्होंने ये बोला है कि पोस्ट 2023 का जो मटेरियल सबमिट किया गया था वो कोर्ट ने कंसिडर नहीं किया है. All right, we'll try and reconnect with my colleague Pulkit, but that's the latest that's coming in. Remember that bail that was granted to Arvind Kejriwal has still not fructified. It is still going on in between a tussle with the Enforcement Directorate as well as the court. The ED has now made the submission that its findings, the new material, post-2023 was not considered by the court and that the court's judgment has been perverse. It has also cited statements of Aam Aadmi Party workers in this case. All right, we have Pulkit, my colleague, back with us, who's been tracking the updates in this case. Pulkit, क्या कुछ details हैं इस submission की जो Enforcement Directorate ने की है? उन्होंने ये बोला है कि post 2023 जो भी नया material था, जो भी नया evidence था, वो नहीं consider किया है कोर्ट ने.
देखिए, ईडी की तरफ से लगातार ये बात कही जा रही है कि ट्रायल कोर्ट के पास उनके पास जो मटेरियल था वो ट्रायल कोर्ट को उन्होंने दिया लेकिन उसे कंसीडर नहीं किया गया. टाइम कम होने की बात कही गई ट्रायल कोर्ट की तरफ से. तो लगातार ईडी इसी बात को हाई कोर्ट के सामने दलील के तौर पर रख रही थी. हालांकि आज जब सुप्रीम कोर्ट में पूरा मामला गया है तो उसमें ये भी कहा गया है सुप्रीम कोर्ट की तरफ से कि पहले हाई कोर्ट इस पर एक फैसला दे दे क्योंकि इस तरीके के मामलों में ऑर्डर को रिजर्व नहीं रखा जाता है. तो हाई कोर्ट की तरफ से पहले एक फैसला आ जाए, उसी के बाद में सुप्रीम कोर्ट इससे आगे बढ़ेगा.
जी पुलकित, धन्यवाद हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. माय कॉलीग पुलकित getting us more details of this ED submission in court that has now been accessed, where they've said that whatever new findings, new materials we had post 2023 in this entire investigation has not been considered by the court while granting Arvind Kejriwal bail in this alleged liquor policy scam.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.